Okay, good evening. My name is James, BONDres, and now I would like to show you what is Gender wayang in Bali. So this is kind of the Gender wayang, the instrument for the wayang performance and the others. So in the Gender, there's two octave, and in each octave has a five tuned. So let me show you how it sounds. Okay, let's try to play. So that's one octave, and the other is. Yeah. So you can see and hear how it sounds for the each octave of the Gender wayang. You want to see one more time? Okay. So let's try one more time. So that's the first octave, and the others. Okay. That's all for now. See you next time. Okay. Thank you, Madidung, for the playing. Okay. Yeah. Yes.